started having conversations about character when it went past this just make her look good? When did that happen?
I think I remember Ram Gopal Verma. I met him in Hyderabad and he narrated Rangila to me. I was so happy. That was 1994. I remember going home and telling my sister-in-law that she used to work with me, and so I told her that, my God, somebody actually narrated a subject to me today. They thought that costumes is that important, or I am important to the film.
Can I interrupt a little bit? Can I interrupt? I think people like you were receptive to new things. I could have got a director who said, no, I don't like the sound. What is this? Give me something which is common. You were receptive. You knew that something is going to work and you had the confidence. I have to give it to you, because without that sound wouldn't have come. The director would have made me change the thing. No, give me something like that song, this song. You were receptive to that new sound, and you received it. You were sympathized with the music making, and so I have to give it to you, because I'm experiencing a lot. Past 10 years, I'm seeing all that very close-mindedness happening. So you are a champion for me. Thank you.
I have tremendous regard for him. I always say that I owe each and every bit of my success to Mr. Ram Gopal Verma, and there shouldn't be any doubt in my mind.
Ramu has done probably more for our cinema than most people. He's given us a lot of talent who are big filmmakers today and writers today, and everybody have all come from there.
वो हमारे प्रिय मित्र हैं और उनके साथ काम करना मुझे अच्छा लगता है। बहुत सारी फिल्में की हैं मैंने उनके साथ। मैं एक ज़माने में सोचता था कि सबसे ज़्यादा फिल्में मैंने ऋषि दा के साथ की हैं, ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी। लेकिन एक दिन मैं जोड़ने बैठा तो मैंने देखा कि वो राम गोपाल वर्मा है जिनके साथ मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा फिल्म।
मुझे जो सही लगता है मैं करता हूँ, वो चाहे भगवान के खिलाफ हो, समाज के खिलाफ हो, पुलिस कानून या फिर पूरे सिस्टम के खिलाफ क्यों ना हो।
Because the way he would handle actors was brilliant. He would go and whisper in their ears and nobody could hear what he's saying. And they suddenly would start performing something else. He's a great director. He has a great understanding of characters. He's instinctively a genius. He doesn't sit and study, and he doesn't try to copy movies from here and there like other filmmakers in our country do. It's his own instinct. It's his own personality that comes out in the films. In effect, he is Sarkar. Ramuji is Sarkar, and he shows that on screen. He may say it through Amitabh Bachchan, but that's his personality talking.